Did you know Rolls-Royce is owned by BMW, Bugatti is owned by Rimac, even Lexus is owned by Toyota? Now there are some very surprising ones which I'm going to be talking about at different points in this video, so stick around to find out. First, we have Toyota Motor Corporation, which is headquartered in Japan. They own Toyota, Lexus, Daihatsu and Hino. Next up is Volkswagen Group, which is headquartered in Germany. They own Volkswagen, Audi, Bentley, Lamborghini, Porsche, Skoda, Seat, Cupra and Ducati. Next up is General Motors, which is headquartered in the United States. They own Cadillac, Chevrolet and GMC. Also, Ford is also headquartered in the United States. They own Ford and Lincoln Motor Company. Next up is Mercedes-Benz. They're headquartered in Germany and they own Mercedes-Benz, AMG and Smart. Next up is the BMW Group, which is headquartered in Germany also. They own BMW, Mini and Rolls-Royce. Next up is Honda. They are headquartered in Japan and they own Acura and Honda. Next up, and this one is very surprising, is Tata Motors. They are headquartered in India and they own Jaguar, Range Rover, Defender, Discovery and Tata Daewoo. Next up is Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance, which is headquartered in the Netherlands and they own Renault, Infiniti, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Alpine, Dacia and Venucia. What? Next up is Hyundai, which is headquartered in South Korea. They produce Genesis, Hyundai and Kia. I really have to stop saying produce and say own, because the truth is that some of these companies actually own the controlling stake in these companies, right? So it's not necessarily that they are the ones producing. So please, wherever I say produce, just swap it or just understand that as own. Right. Next up is Stellantis, which is also headquartered in the Netherlands. This corporation was formed from the Fiat Chrysler Automobiles, also known as FCA and Peugeot SA merger. They own Alfa Romeo, Chrysler, Citroën, Dodge, DS Automobiles, Fiat, Jeep, Maserati, Opel, Peugeot, Ram and Vauxhall. That's a lot of companies to own. Next up is Geely, which I hope I pronounced right. Is it Geely or Geely? Somebody correct me in the comment section if I'm wrong. Thank you. Now they are headquartered in China and they own Lotus, Polestar, Geely and Volvo cars. Next up is Rimac, which is headquartered in Croatia and they actually own Bugatti and Rimac. Now for the independent car makers, we have McLaren, which is headquartered in the UK, Mazda, which is headquartered in Japan, Subaru, which is headquartered in Japan also, Tesla, which is headquartered in the United States, Ferrari, which is headquartered in Italy. Now I'd like to know which or any of this surprised you the most, and if you know of any other major car brands that I didn't mention here, please drop it in the comments so we can all learn. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.